Alright guys, you guys going?
Woo!
There we go, it's time.
Never gets old. Never. Never will. Never ever. Hey, you got follow me?
Oh.
Why'd you stick me with
I didn't. You just grabbed it.
Come around, Frank.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like I got it.
Oh, yeah. Like that, you're used to that. Right?
Oh, yeah.
That's what they brought you.
Oh, of course. Alright, so we're walking in. This is normally where your pictures are at.
Number 3.
Oh, sure. Alright. Alright, luggage. Alright. 10064. Haha. Let's go to the right. Let's do something different. Woo! Oh, look at that. Oh, we forgot to take the picture on the fantasy. Oh, man.
It's okay. We're going to be on it.
We'll have to get one later.
Pantry.
Please walk with the Dillingham family.
Disney Fantasy, please give a warm welcome to the Pantry family.
Yeah! Woo!
Hi everyone, how's it going?
Disney Fantasy, please give a warm welcome to the Rich family.
Disney Fantasy, please welcome aboard the Gordon family.
Faith, surprise, you're going on a Disney cruise.
Throw you overboard.
Disney Fantasy, please give a warm welcome to John.